Come test drive the 2014 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, power sunroof, rear view camera, leather upholstery. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.